Hey guys, welcome back to Fully Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord, guys, talking about that generation here from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find, guys, the fuse for the ACM. This is the active control engine mount. Stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's a good idea to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the ACM fuse, guys, active control engine mount fuse, you have two of them. We'll demonstrate on 2010 Honda Civic where they could be located if you have that option. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes. We'll need to work in just one of them, and it's located inside your Honda Accord, under the dash on the driver's side. Look upside down above the pedals and you're going to see that fuse box layout right here, guys. So that's what it looks like. But before we continue, let's explain why it's a good idea to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here next to the fuses you have numbers. Now the number that we need to find, the first one will be fuse number 7. We're talking about that 15 amp fuse, fuse number 7. Now you need to find one more fuse, guys, and we're talking about in that middle row right here, if you come, talking about fuse number 14 as well. These two fuses will need to be checked. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.